here's something that you probably haven't really thought about, and it's also something that most folks don't really talk about, but it's absolutely true. It is 100% true. You can, with sufficient time and energy and money, rank any product for any search term on Amazon. Any product for any search term on Amazon. It all comes down to time, energy, and money. So, how much of that do you have? How much of that do you have? If you've got heaps of time, heaps of energy, and heaps of money, then you could go after a crazy search term like vitamin C serum, which, for instance, let me just see if I can find somebody who I know and I can tell you how much money they're making. This is all trained. Oh, True Skin. Did I just see True Skin? Yeah, I did just see True Skin. So, for instance, Tree of Life. So, I happen to know Tree of Life are that particular product, vitamin C serum, is currently doing about $120,000 a month in sales. $120,000 a month in sales, okay? So, here's the question, because this is an important question, something for you to think about. If you knew that you could invest X amount of dollars into marketing for your new vitamin C serum and get it onto page 1 of Amazon, where it would make, let's say, $50,000 a month, how much money would you invest to do that? How much money would you invest to do that? And that's really what all of these questions come down to. Will you invest the money that's required to get the product onto page 1? Now, I could go on a little bit deeper into this and talk about sub-niches and things like that, but I don't. Right now, I want to keep this kind of gross and give you, and certainly something for you to think about. Will you invest that money to do that? Because if you've got, $50,000 to invest in marketing your brand new vitamin C serum, you can get it onto page 1, position 1 of Amazon, and then it's making that money every month. And that's a good investment. I think we can agree that. But if you've only got $1,000, then you have to shoot commensurately lower. You can't try and launch a brand new vitamin C serum and expect to get it onto page 1, so you're making sales, with $1,000 budget. It just won't happen. It won't happen. It won't happen. So you have to choose products commensurate with your budget and choose products commensurate with what your budget will allow you to do. And I think that's good advice. And that kind of comes back to what we were saying about earlier, about your first product and what I would do if I was starting in 2020. That would go on about that. And I could, as everybody on this call who's been with me a while will be shouting down their screen at me saying, what about niches, Neil? What about organic vitamin C serum? What about vegan or vitamin C serum? Blah, 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 blah. And I could get into that, but I kind of want to leave that at that top level for you to think about, because it's something that most folks just don't think about. They don't consider what it will take to get their product into a position on Amazon where it will start making money. So if you're going after hyper competitive niches because you want to be a bazillionaire next month, then unless you've got cash behind you to do that, that's just not going to work. That's just not going to work. So does that answer Merit's question? Merit's question, how competitive should a product be to either try it or leave it? I think I have answered that. I think I've answered that. But anything else I would add to that? No, I think that's good. So it's not really about how competitive the niche is. It's about how much time, energy, and money you've got to go after it. Because anything, you can rank anything for anything with sufficient time, energy, and money. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.